We have here with us Mr. Manoj Tripathy, CEO of Kanoo Industrial and Energy. Welcome back to Abu Dhabi. Let's talk a bit about technology in the energy industry. It's always been there, technology, but what is expected more from technology to meet the expectations of the world and the countries and the companies when it comes to their target in the renewable energy, in the sustainability, and the friendly environment technology?
As you said rightly, technology has been there for a long time. It's all about adaptability. Oil and gas industry or the energy industry have been a bit slow over the last 10 years when technology started exploding into our lives. But I think now we are adapting it. Energy sector is very, very aggressively adapting technology in all areas, right from their operation, maintenance to the management of project, bringing in IoT, artificial intelligence, and whatever technological advancement which is happening in each sector, it's all coming into the sector. Transition of energy, yes, this most talked about subject nowadays. But in this region, I believe, I mean globally also, oil and gas is not going to go anywhere out. I mean, that contributes almost 53% of your power requirement globally. It's going to remain. And what is required, probably they need to use technology properly to be more efficient, cut down on emissions. I think that's probably one goal people need to look at, and there are many technologies available now to look at it. Renewable, yes, slow transitions will be there in this region. That's good. It controls emission and it's clean energy. But having said that, your power requirement it's continued to drive by oil and gas for the next few years to come. See, this is a technology.
What are we seeing here?
This is called 3D printing and reverse engineering. Now, we have got large outlets here, national oil companies and big power plants. Everyone requires parts to run their business, different kind of consumables and parts. So people, what they do, they order from the OEM who have supplied, and if those are critical parts, those are stored in their facility for a longer duration because they carry the stock in a space in their warehouses. But what it will do, it can bring in manufacturing localized to your facility. You can create a digital inventory of the parts you require. Rather than buying them and storing them for a year, you can just print it on demand whenever you want.
Cut the cost and cut the time.
It cuts down the time. Time is the biggest money. You spend money to buy them, store them. You're cutting down the space requirement. So this is basically going to change completely how you look at running your industry. So this is one of the efficient ways of use of technology. We call it Industrial Revolution 4.0, and this is going to catch up very fast. And we are going to localize this in Abu Dhabi. That's the plan. In probably hopefully next 6 to 8 months' time, you'll see this is coming up here.
What's the importance of ADIPEC at these times, specifically at these times? Coming back after the pandemic, meeting everybody face to face, discussing challenges, opportunities, all this.
Oh, it feels really good. I think we were all locked down for a year, so happy to be back. I think it's very, very busy. What you have seen for the last 2 days, very busy, really busy, which we have not seen for the last 4-5 years of ADIPEC. It's an exciting time. We believe that there is a recovery happening now. Sentiments are flying very high. We see a lot of traction, and with the kind of response ADIPEC is getting, we believe the industry is coming back, and we're going to have all great time 2022.